up, guys? So, unboxing. Well, not even unboxing, unpackaging. But I actually ordered a couple of stuff because I really needed it because my videos kind of suck.
I agree.
The audio sucks, and then I need another fisheye lens just because I need one. You know?
Big stuff.
All right, let's get to it. So, when I ordered this, I thought I was gonna get two different packages because it was two separate things, but I got them all at once. So what I got was another fisheye lens. I've heard good reviews about it. They told me I read online that it doesn't have the ring around it, the black ring. Usually when you film with a fisheye lens, because sometimes you can see it in here, and then I got a mic because I have to talk loud. See, like they wouldn't be able to hear that shit because it's not loud enough because my mic sucks. So I got a mic. See if I can, you know.
I want to open this one.
No, I want to open both of them, fool.
But this one.
I'm gonna open both of them. Let's open this one first together.
Okay.
Woo!
Oh.
You over here dropping my stuff. You have to buy me another one.
Let's open it together. You get one corner, I get one corner. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Teamwork.
Oh my god, we're gay.
Fuck yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
Look, oh, look. It actually came with. Yeah, with two extras. Oh, the other one's
the little thing?
the other one's stuck inside.
Oh, look at it. Came with the little wrappy thing.
Wrappy thing?
Yeah, you know the thing for the wire? You go. Yeah, the wrapping thing.
Alright, let me see it. Ooh, you guys might even hear me really good right now. Ooh, this is nice.
I think everything's nice.
No.
What's 1 + 1?
Gonorrhea.
That's nice.
It's actually pretty long for how.
Damn, boy.
It's actually longer than I expected.
I think you just put it there. You can just.
I know. Alright, let's try it out, guys, right now. Let's test it out, see, because you can't probably even hear me at the moment. Alright, so we tested it out and it works. Now the audio is better. And I hope, I hope it is. Because I'm still trying to learn how to really use it. It's my first time, but I really hope it works better because my audio is trash. Alright, second thing I got
You can say that again.
Second thing I got now is the fisheye lens. And let's open it up. You want to open it together because we're gay?
Hey, I said we sit together.
What the trash lady?
Okay, you chose that.
Anyway, alright, this is new. Supposedly, it does not have the ring that my fisheye lens has, but I have. Stop!
I'm trying to help you.
You don't push it. No, actually,
You push it.
you push it to this side.
I was right, see?
Oh, damn!
Oh, that's nice.
It's not like the one I have.
Oh, it's pretty
It's
nice.
definitely not like the one I have.
Wait, it has 3?
Yeah, it's 2. It's not 2. Actually,
You push it again. Other
No.
way.
Actually, you don't push it.
You push.
Oh. Right.
No, you
Push you in my...
push it real good.
No!
Wow, you dropped it?
Yeah, that's why you don't push it.
I told you, man. Don't push it, man.
Is this the... What lens is this? Oh, the 2 lenses. It's supposed to be 2 lenses.
The one's already on the other one.
Really? No.
Yeah, check the lens.
Oh, wait. I see what you mean. So what lens is this? This is... Ooh, this is really nice. It's metal, too. I might be putting this one right away, but it only came with 2 lenses, and it said it came with 3. Where's the...
I sure what I mean. This one has 2.
You unscrew it for the micro lens?
Yeah.
So this is a fisheye.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wide angle lens. That's cool, learn something new every day, right? I don't shop online often. I'm poor. I'm filming my videos with my phone.
¿Te la llevas o te la mando? Lo dices, señor. ¿Sabes qué? Te lo mando.
Alright, hey, we should probably just put it on, right?
Alright.
So let's test it out.
Can I do it?
No. What's up? New lens, boys.
Me pegó. Oh!
New lens. So I actually I'm pretty excited for the stuff I got because now I can actually vlog a lot more better than before. And the lens that I got right now actually pretty. It's smaller than the lens the other one I have, and it just looks way better. Way better.
You have good quality stuff.
I got quality stuff now.
What do you got?
Huh?
What do you got?
I'm pretty sure half my viewers don't know Spanish. Half of them.
Yeah, cry.
Maybe.
Pussy.
Again?
I mean, cry baby.
Again?
Little girl.
Oh my god.
Hey.
But this is not the end of the video. It's actually a vlog too. So if you guys don't want to continue watching the vlog, because it is an unpackaging video, but since it's also a vlog, you guys can turn away from the camera or look to the vlog. But this is going to start till tomorrow because, you know, the rest of the day is pretty boring. But tomorrow I drive to college, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so funny thing. Okay, so when I was doing the unpackaging or the unboxing, whatever you guys want to call it, okay, so when I was trying the mic, I came to figure out that the mic wasn't compatible with my phone, which is, you know, it's a big old bummer. And then I came to the conclusion to where I'm gonna get a new phone, because to begin with, I need a new phone. The aux thing, and you know the little hole, the aux where you plug in the mic or the earphones, it doesn't work. I have to jiggle it in order to actually make it work. So that's a no, right? So I need a new phone to begin with. So I'm gonna need a new phone in 2 weeks, which is all good. You know, I can wait it out. And the mic itself, it works. It works on anyone else's phone but mine. So that sucks. So then I have to get a new phone, but then I'm also gonna return the mic because the clip on it actually didn't work on it, and you know, why am I gonna, you know, not be able to clip on the mic on myself or the tripod that I have to actually film? So it's pretty much useless. So I'm actually gonna return it, and once I return it after that, since it's a pretty boring video in my opinion, I'm gonna skate. I'm gonna try to relearn nose slides because I've had them for a while, and then I stopped doing them even before my ankle injury. So I'm gonna relearn them. You know, I think I can get them pretty good again. I've been trying to do it for a while. It's just my wax sucks, so I have to make new wax. But all in all, you guys see me right when I'm at the skate park. I'll be skating. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I lied. I'm not going to the park. Had to do homework, and it was a lot. It was pretty stressful. It was a lot of stress actually. But now that I'm doing homework and then I don't really have time to go to the park, I'm gonna have to just have about 15 to 20 to 30 minute session outside my house, and then I'm gonna go to the gym with my friend. I'll film that. I hope I don't, you know, get in trouble for it, but I'll film it. Maybe just like 2 minutes of my friend working out, because I don't wanna be in my own video when I'm working out. But I'll crash in this little miniature session, which I really need to skate. So we are not at the gym. We're gonna go work out for a while, cause you know that's what I said. He wanted to work out, so it's all good, huh?
Yep.
All right.
I love my hair though.
You know with your hair?
AMR working that ass. Look at that ass. Work it hard. Come on, work it, work it, work it. Show us up. Come on, push it. Push it hard. Work for that ass. How does it feel?
My God, that was tiring. How long were we in here for? Let me check the time. Let me check the time on the phone. It's 10:32. We've been here for like an hour and 30 minutes. Oh, I'm so tired. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. It's pretty boring. I'm sorry guys. Nothing really exciting has been going on, and then I'm sick. So I can't really do much since I'm sick. So subscribe, like the video please. Thank you.